If your bedroom's gone quiet, you've probably tried the usual things. Talk more, make time for it, put it on the calendar, put on something nice, try to relax. So why does it feel like our bedroom is so dull? I want to talk to you about why your body might have decided to turn the wanting off in the first place. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, marriage and family therapist, certified sex therapist. What I've seen over and over is that this situation is rarely just about the sex. It's usually your body registering something in the relationship that hasn't been safe to actually name out loud. When emotional safety hasn't been there for a while, even in ordinary ways, the body just starts to protect itself. And when your system feels something off, it kind of just shuts desire down. Not because something is broken with you, but because your body is trying to keep you from getting hurt. Being a good team doesn't automatically mean you still know how to want each other as distinct people or desire one another. So pushing to things like fix the sex in this situation usually backfire. Kind of slower work. It's each person getting honest about where they've lost touch with their own self, with their own desire. Not just desire for their partner, but just in life. The couples I've seen actually move forward, it's not just how do we have more nights of sex per week. It's the harder questions. It's what do you actually want? What do you even like? I made up the story that you liked this, but now I'm thinking you might want that. Sure, these questions aren't comfortable, but these are the things we talk about in therapy. They tend to be a place where we actually start getting real shifts. A quiet bedroom isn't the end of attraction. It's kind of just a version of what happens when you don't work on desire. If any of this touched something that you've been carrying quietly, I'd love to hear about it. I read your comments below. And if you want to keep exploring this, subscribing is the easiest way to stay connected with the things that we're talking about. Thanks for being here. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I'll see you next time.